Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a very rare car. It's a 2007 Shelby GT-H. It's a Hertz rental car. This car is super low miles, and there was 500 of these produced, and this is 376. Beautiful condition. Actually, no owners on this car. It's never been registered, so you will be the first owner. Runs and drives perfect. With the original owner's manuals. It's the first time I've ever seen a convertible in person. Cool. It's in like new condition. $15,617 miles. Brand new. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.